Alam ko lang yung original eh. Yan dito.
Ibig siya kahit na
Naturo ko ang puso. Ano magandang kantahin? Ikaw naman, Justin, kanta ka daw oh.
Anong gusto niyong kantahin?
Yes, golden daw. Golden retriever.
Arf, arf!
Golden faucet. Ito na lang. Anong title nun? Ito na lang. Sabi to sa gusto kong kanta. Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. Words of what I came from. Tired and ashamed of things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lines all collided. I know what I did to trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lines, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should have left the jagged edges with the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. That's all it could arrive. This is what it sounds like. Ganda rin yan. Ganda rin yan. Sabi ko live lang eh.